Keto Pumpkin Cheesecake Bars. With this simple yet delicious recipe, you can now enjoy your favorite dessert while not having to worry about gluten. And the best part? They only have 2.3 net carbs per serving. What do you think of this recipe? Drop your comments below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, like and subscribe to our channel.
If you enjoyed the video, let us know by giving the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. And lastly, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button.